This is the Galaxy Z Flip. Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video, I'll be sharing you my hands-on experience with Samsung Galaxy Z Flip, the latest foldable smartphone by Samsung. Priced at $1,380, Galaxy Z Flip comes in 4 colors: mirror black, mirror purple. There is also a mirror gold color which is available in selected regions. There is also a $2,040 special version of Thom Browne edition with red, white and blue pinstripes. If you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe and don't forget to click on the bell icon to see all my future videos. I will really appreciate that. Also, you can click over here to see all my Galaxy S20 video playlist. So let's start this video, but before I start, kindly subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so you will get notified every time I post a new video. Let's talk about the design of the smartphone. At the bottom you have the USB Type-C port, main microphone and unfortunately mono speaker, as Samsung couldn't include a dual stereo speaker on this device. On the left side you have the SIM tray, and just like the Galaxy Fold, this device also doesn't have micro SD card slot for the storage expansion. On the top it has a secondary noise cancellation microphone. On the right it has a power button which also acts like a fingerprint scanner, and volume up and down buttons. On the rear it has a dual camera setup of main 12 megapixel wide angle with f1.8 aperture and a 12 megapixel ultra wide with f2.2 aperture. It can shoot 4K videos with 60 frames per second from the rear camera and also from the front camera, and it does include OIS. On the front it has a 10 megapixel wide angle shooter with f2.4 aperture. So let's just quickly run through the specification of Galaxy Z Flip. It has Snapdragon 855 Plus processor running Android 10, which is the latest version of Android. It has a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus dynamic AMOLED display. On the front it has a tiny 1-inch Super AMOLED display. It comes with 256 GB of storage with 8 GB of RAM. Now in terms of battery, it has 3300 mAh of battery. It does support fast charging and also has a wireless charging support. The device does not have a 5G connectivity option. It comes in 4G or LTE option. Now because of the design, the device has a mono speaker, does not have a stereo speaker. Let me clear in the beginning itself that unlike the Galaxy S20 series, Galaxy Z Flip doesn't have the latest and the greatest internal specifications. Now don't get me wrong, you're still getting a capable phone, but it has more in common with the last year's Samsung Galaxy S10e than the latest devices in terms of the specs. But this smartphone is certainly targeting a different audience. Not just a regular smartphone user or a techie, and certainly not for the masses. This one is the most fashionable and eye-catching design in the market at the moment. And the way Samsung has been marketing this phone gives away what their true intention is. Think about it. This phone was first officially shown to the world at the Oscars, one of the high-end fashionable award ceremonies in the world. Samsung did not show the specs, just showed the phone, which can be bent and looks cool. And after that, they announced a collaboration with New York Fashion Week. There is a limited edition version too, not a collaboration with Hollywood stars they have done in the past. There is a Thom Browne edition, a high-end New York-based designer clothing brand. Samsung already has a great reputation of quality smartphone with futuristic specs. So they wanted something which is more luxury with cool and unique design. And that's why Galaxy Flip is launched with a different target audience. Now this phone might not sell massive numbers, but it will definitely win the heart of the masses. Because honestly, it's cool as hell and feels great in the hand. Galaxy Z Flip's iconic foldable design is only palm-sized when folded. But when it unfolds, it will give you a full 6.7-inch screen experience. And who said glass couldn't be folded? Samsung had to invent a brand new foldable Samsung ultra-thin glass technology to make Z Flip a reality. Learning from its mistakes in the past, kudos to Samsung, as this is the first foldable phone with the ultra-thin glass screen. So finally, we have a truly immersive display with a super smooth surface. Now the freeze-stop folding technology allows for a hands-free video chat and previously unreachable selfies. So fold it, flip it, stand it. However you set it up, it reinvents the way you take photos on your phone. It gives you a small impressions of a laptop design where you can half fold it, keep it somewhere, and either use two applications or use your camera for selfies. I'm sure in future more applications will support this kind of design element. The aspect ratio is slightly odd. Yes, you can use the smartphone in landscape mode, but playing games and watching YouTube videos will look slightly odd. Also in my testing, I found opening the phone by one hand was a bit difficult. You will have to use two hands to open it. When you close the phone is simply remarkable. How small it can become, just like a wallet size. You can keep it inside your pocket easily. On the front, there is a very small Super AMOLED display of 1.1 inches to see the date and time and few other notifications. Also, by double pressing on the power button, you can take selfies from the tiny display. I'm not sure if somebody would like to do that. Let's talk about two most important design elements of this device, the hinge and the crease. Talking about the hinge, the Galaxy Z Flip's hinge is sturdy enough to keep it open in a variety of positions. I did not see any obvious way for the dust to get in. It has a magnetic closure that's extremely satisfying to close. And yes, if you're on a call, snapping it shut will hang up on your call. The hinge on Galaxy Z Flip is a clear improvement over the Galaxy Fold. The biggest difference is in the screen. It's still not perfect though. In the right lighting situation, you can still see the hinge crease, and if you run your finger over the center of the screen, you can feel the bump. But otherwise, the Galaxy Z Flip feels just like a Galaxy S20, which you can fold. Overall, I would say that Samsung has done a great job by bringing something new and unique. And going by the Samsung store in UAE, I must say that there is a strong buzz about this device in the whole UAE. It's quite pricey, very similar to Galaxy S20 Ultra, but it's targeting a different audience. That's all guys for this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the thumbs up if you like the video. See you soon in my next one. Till then, goodbye and peace and blessings. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will really appreciate that. Also click on the notification icon, the bell icon, so you'll constantly get updated with my new videos. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.